Good morning. I am meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update for Friday, October 30th, 2020. We'll call this one Boo, There's Snow Outside, as well as hurricanes, or soon to be. We'll chat about that. Let's start off. These are the power outages that were reported from Zeta, over 2 million. As you can see, Georgia leading the pack. Louisiana, where I think was hit the most hardest by the storm, over 500,000 out. So the impact definitely will be felt. I want to look at a radar this morning. Snow is infiltrating south in the northeast. So this was originally all snow, the remnants of Zeta, and it's now transitioning in with the cold. So that snow line will dash towards the coast. It's just a matter of how long that precip will hold out there for. Looking at a wider picture and some other locations, we have Islip on Long Island reporting sleet. It's snowing at the Connecticut coast, Boston with moderate snow now. It's October 30th, and we have daytime snow. Not totally rare, but definitely not typically normal. It's a little early. This is Barrymount, New York, this morning right before sunrise. Lows tonight. I've been talking about the flash freeze that comes behind this storm. It's been pretty cold. We're looking at 4 record lows being forecasted up in New York and into Massachusetts. So that'll be interesting tonight. Everything will freeze over, so the morning might be a little off. Turning into our tropics, the overnight update from the National Hurricane Center increased the 5-day development odds for number 96L, Invest 96L to 80%, and the 2-day odds to 40%. 96L looks pretty close to becoming a tropical cyclone already. Deep, consolidated, semi-continuous bursting patterns like these hint of strong local pressure gradient forces continuously replenishing warm, moist air into the boundary layer that's lost in the downdrafts. So it's feeding itself pretty well in order to grow. Feeling a bit uneasy about the track. No analog is perfect, and hopefully shear and limited dry air keep its peak intensity down, but a slow-moving tropical cyclone in the Western Caribbean with fairly high OHC isn't ideal. Ocean heat content, it's not ideal. It's still there. It's still warm enough down there, so I'm uneasy about where this is going to go. It's SQT here, faster than expected development of this storm. If it continues, will have implications, especially for its track once in the Central Caribbean on Sunday. If you note the subtle but important difference between the low and mid-level steering flows, that's a stronger storm would be less likely to move west-southwest into Nicaragua. So lots of things to look at. We have snow, we have rain, we have sleet, we have snow, we have wind, we have hurricane potential, we have Santa Ana winds, we have all sorts of things weather related. It's my favorite time of year. Anyway, it's snowing outside my office, and I'm just gonna take off and go for a walk because that's what weather we do. I'm meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. Have a great weekend.